Namaskar, myself Uma Shankar Das. Welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 22nd May. If you talk about the past 24 hour weather, particularly this wind speed reaching 60 to 100 kmph along with squally wind and thunderstorm gusty wind, particularly observed over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Marathwada, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and West Madhya Pradesh. Apart from that, heavy to very heavy rainfall also observed over some parts of Goa, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, coastal Karnataka, Telangana. Heavy rainfall has been observed at isolated pockets over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, coastal Andhra Pradesh, North Interior Karnataka, East Uttar Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Assam, Tripura and Odisha. If you talk about the hailstorm, particularly some parts of northeast west India, that is Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and West MP including East MP also witnessed isolated hailstorm activity. If you talk about the heat wave condition, particularly heat wave to at a few places with severe heat wave at isolated pockets of Rajasthan, heat wave to severe heat condition over Punjab, Haryana, also Jammu, East Madhya Pradesh, Southeast Uttar Pradesh has been witnessed. Apart from that, warm nights has been observed West Rajasthan and Haryana. If you talk about the weather system, that is synoptic aspect, the low pressure area today morning has formed over East Central Arabian Sea of South Konkan and Goa coast, and we are anticipating it is likely to move nearly northward and intensify further into a deep pressure during next 36 hours. If you talk about a trough from this low pressure associated cyclonic circulate that is running till the north of Telangana in lower tropospheric level. Apart from that, a cyclonic circulation is there in lower tropospheric level over Punjab and its neighborhood. Also, there is a cyclonic circulation over northeast MP adjoining southeast Uttar Pradesh, and it is in lower tropospheric level. A trough runs from the cyclonic circulation of Punjab to central Madhya Pradesh in lower tropospheric level. Apart from that, if you talk about a northeastern state, cyclonic circulation observed in lower tropospheric level, and apart from that, another fresh low pressure is likely to form over West Central and North Bay of Bengal around 27th May. Today's highlights is like due to this weather system, we are anticipating heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over west coast, that is Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala coast during next 6 to 7 days, with possibility of isolated extremely heavy rainfall that is amounting more than 20 centimeter over Konkan and Goa till 24th and over coastal Karnataka and Madhya Maharashtra on 24th May. If you talk about the monsoon onset, the conditions are likely to become more favorable for monsoon onset over Kerala during next 2 to 3 days. Also, there is possibility of heat wave to severe heat wave condition likely over Rajasthan during 22nd to 26th, and heat wave condition over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Jammu Kashmir, East Rajasthan on 22nd and 23rd May. If you talk about the the highest maximum temperature on yesterday, that is reported on over Ganganagar, that is West Rajasthan area, and it is 47.6 degree. If you talk about the temperature, there is temperature likely to fall by 2 to 4 degree over northwest India during next 24 hours and rise by 2 to 3 degree in subsequent 3 days. And no significant change thereafter. However, if you talk about central India, there will be fall by 2 to 4 degree in subsequent 4 days and rise by 2 to 3 degree in subsequent 3 days. And in the remaining parts of the country, there is no significant change in maximum temperature. For next 24 hours, if you talk about the alert, particularly looking into rainfall aspect, that is heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated pockets, extremely heavy falls at isolated pockets of South Konkan and Goa. And looking into the red warning has been issued. Apart from that, if you talk about the red warning, particularly West Rajasthan, there is possibility of severe heat wave to heat wave condition with isolated warm night condition. So looking into that aspect also, red warning has been issued. Because of heavy to very heavy rainfall, there is orange warning, particularly Telangana. Also there is for the interior Karnataka as well as coastal Karnataka for the next 24 hours. But for the thunderstorm activity, particularly eastern coast, there is likely to continue, and some heat wave condition, particularly for the Punjab, Haryana. Apart from that, East Madhya Pradesh, also West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan. So looking into that condition, and Jammu Kashmir warning has been issued. There is a heavy rainfall possibility over Jharkhand, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Gangetic West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya as well as Nagaland and Tripura. And also Kerala likely to get heavy rainfall for next 2 days. However, from 24th onward, there is increase in rainfall activity over Kerala, that is isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall expected till 28th of May. If we talk about day 2, that is on 23rd of May, there is a red warning continuing, that is a heavy to very heavy rainfall spell with isolated extreme likely to continue over Konkan area till 24th, and that red warning is likely to continue. Apart from that, red warning particularly for the heatwave condition likely to continue for over the Rajasthan as well as till 24th. If you talk about the heatwave condition, that is orange alert particularly for the east Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, also yellow warning for heatwave condition over Punjab, Haryana and Jammu Kashmir. However, for the heavy to very heavy rainfall, there is orange warning particularly coastal Karnataka, also Madhya Maharashtra. Apart from that, heavy rainfall possibility also for the Gujarat state, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, also Kerala. Apart from that, Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And looking into that aspect, yellow alert has been issued. Also, there is possibility of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind, hail, and over the Himachal Pradesh on 22nd and 23rd. Also, there is possibility of heavy rainfall of Uttarakhand. Looking to that aspect, orange alert has been issued. On day 3, that is on 24th, most of the warnings remain same. However, the rainfall impact will be maximum over the west coast. Looking to that aspect, Madhya Maharashtra, including South Konkan and Goa, as well as coastal Karnataka, red warning has been issued. And orange alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall, particularly Kerala, interior Karnataka. Also, there is possibility of heavy rainfall over northeastern states as well as Bidar, also Uttarakhand. Looking into that space, orange warning has been issued. And for the day 4 and day 5, if we talk about particularly the thunderstorm activity, that will continue most part of the country. However, the heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over the west coast, that is over particularly Karnataka, Konkan, Goa as well as Kerala, and they will witness the heavy rainfall till 26th. If you talk about the day 6 and day 7, the heavy rainfall pockets, particularly west coast, that is likely to continue, as well as northeastern states likely to get heavy rainfall. On day 6, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and day 7 there is also a possibility of heavy rainfall over Gangetic Western as well as Odisha. Or northeastern states likely to get isolated thunderstorm activity on 27th and 28th. If you talk about for the particularly fishermen warning has been issued sea area, and particularly for squally weather as well as strong winds. Those who are inside the sea, they are advised to return to the coast by tomorrow afternoon, and they are till further information they are advised not to venture into the sea. For particularly the monsoon related information, the conditions are likely to become more favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon over some parts of South Arabian Sea, remaining parts of Maldives, Comorin area, some parts of Lakshadweep area, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, as well as some more parts of South Central Bay of Bengal, North Bay of Bengal, and some parts of northeastern states during the same period. That is next 2 to 3 days. Conditions are likely to become favorable for monsoon's onset over Kerala during next 2 to 3 days. For detailed information, you can follow us directly log into mausam.imd.gov.in. Also, you can follow us in social media platform X, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Namaskar.